Welcome back to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and today we are breaking down the market action. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into it. DigitalOcean is the big story today. Shares surged over 40% after the company reported stellar first-quarter results that blew past analyst expectations on both profit and revenue. They also raised their full-year guidance, with management highlighting torrid growth in its AI-focused offerings, including their new AI-native cloud. CIFR mining is also moving, up over 23%. Investors are cheering the company's strategic pivot from being just a Bitcoin miner to a provider of high-performance computing infrastructure for AI, backed by a new $200 million credit facility. On the flip side, Shopify shares fell over 15%. Despite beating earnings and revenue expectations, investors were spooked by the company's guidance, which suggested a deceleration in growth for the second quarter. PayPal also took a hit, down nearly 8%, as investors focused on margin compression and cautious guidance, despite the company beating top and bottom line estimates. Looking at the broader market, the major indexes finished lower today. The S&P 500, the Dow, and the Nasdaq all retreated as investors remain on edge regarding fresh geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, specifically reports of unrest in the Strait of Hormuz, which sent oil prices higher. This risk-off sentiment dominated the session, with most sectors ending in the red, though energy stocks managed to see some gains. In the AI economy, the focus remains on infrastructure. Arista Networks reported strong first-quarter earnings, beating expectations and highlighting its role in the AI and data center networking space. The company's focus on AI-driven networking solutions continues to resonate with customers, and they provided confident guidance for the upcoming quarter. We are seeing a clear trend where companies that can successfully prove their infrastructure can handle the demands of AI agents and hyperscale workloads are being heavily rewarded by the market. Beyond the earnings movers, the market is closely watching the ongoing rotation into high-growth software and infrastructure names. While the broader market struggled today due to geopolitical headlines, we saw resilient buying in select tech names that are showing tangible returns from their AI investments. On the earnings front, it has been a busy day. Visa reported a strong fiscal second quarter, beating on both earnings and revenue, and they raised their full-year outlook, showing solid consumer spending trends. Pfizer also beat expectations on its top and bottom lines, driven by robust performance from its acquired and launched products, which helped offset declining COVID-related revenues. Conversely, HSBC missed profit expectations, sending shares lower, as the bank pointed to higher credit costs and geopolitical uncertainty. Honeywell results were broadly in line, and Novartis also saw some pressure following its recent earnings update. Wrapping up today's episode, we covered a market session defined by geopolitical caution and heavy earnings reactions. DigitalOcean and CIFR mining were the standouts on the upside, while Shopify and PayPal faced selling pressure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if there is a specific stock or sector you want us to cover next. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you tomorrow.